Have you had back pain or sciatica in the last 30 days or for a while? Well, if you have, then I have something that I would like to invite you to. This is the Back Pain and Sciatica workshop that we are hosting right here at Rehab Specialists. Number one, the single biggest mistake that back pain and sciatica sufferers make that usually results in them having to go to medications or surgery or possibly even injections. The second thing you're going to learn about are the three most common causes of back pain and sciatica. Two of them are really common. One is super sneaky, doesn't really or actually show up on MRIs or x-rays, and can create a lot of problems.
Hi, this is John with the Rehab Specialists. So number three, we'll show you the top 3 things to get rid of your back pain and sciatica for good. And if you have tingling or numbness and you've been suffering for this for a while, you do not want to miss this seminar. If you're interested, please click the button next to this video to register for the seminar. And we have limited seats available. Thank you again.